So welcome to the Global Channel Partners Meet. So there is a lot of impetus for the electronic industry. It's which shows a very positive sign of growth. And you all know that our Prime Minister initiative is to bring electronics to the forefront. So we want to be the go-to player after China.
I thank you for calling me for this wonderful event. I've been to lots of places where I've been a chief guest or where I would exhibit my talents or exhibit my school children's talents. But this is a totally new thing which I have been throughout my life, but it is quite a good learning as well. And this is the first time I'm seeing this annual channel partners meeting and or this product. Of course, yes, every company will have their product launch and other stuff. But having it a great gala celebration like this, Hiflo, I'd like to congratulate you all and all the channel partners. Any support you want require, you can please get in touch with me. Whatever the best I could do from my end through Siki, I will definitely do that. I always love to sing, but yesterday, throughout the day, we were having a show. But anyway, since it has been requested, I will sing. காற்றினில் பிறந்தவளோ புதிதாய் கற்பனை வடித்தவளோ சேற்றினில் மலர்ந்த செந்தாமரையோ செவ்வந்தி போச்சரமோ அவள் செந்தமிழ் தேன்மொழியாள் நிலாவென சிரிக்கும் மலர் கொடியாள் நிலாவென சிரிக்கும் மலர் கொடியாள் பைங்கனி இதழில் பழரசம் தருவாள் பருகிட தலை குனிவாள். Thank you all for the and I thank Karthik for introducing Ashish, Janet, everybody, and Thomas sir and ma'am. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity. A wonderful MC is done by you. Thank you.
Thank you very much for inviting me. First of all, I will promise not to sing because I'm really bad at that. My name is Marco. I'm the general manager of Stanol in Germany. This is a company which is existing since 1879. So we are in the solder business since more than 140 years. The company is not really big. It's 150 employees, and we are producing more or less exactly the same product portfolio than Hiflo, solder bars, solder wires, solder paste, and solder plugs. Flux. Turnover is around 30 million euro, and we extended our business to the US and China, of course, since many years, and since 20 years approximately I'm traveling to India. And it's amazing to see what development happened in the last couple of years. It's really amazing.